Stacked plots are a great option when you have multiple variables that you want to draw each one to a different panel so you can compare across these different variables, or multiple subplots would be another way to refer to this. And here, what I want to do is actually draw this with multiple sensors. So I have three different sensors for the same time period, and I want to draw these each to a different subplot or panel within my graph. To do this in DataGraph, I'll select my data and add these to my graph as plot commands. And with them added, you can see that there's a lot of overlap between this data. And honestly, even if I make these different colors, this isn't a great way to visualize this data. To create the stack graph, I'm going to use this button here. This has the split Y option. And when you click this, every time you do, it adds another panel to my graph. And what it does also is it creates a schematic to the right side of every command that lets you see which panel this command is being drawn to, and you can easily click to change where that element is being drawn to. So now there I have it. I have my three lines all drawn to different panels, stacked one on top of the other. But your pro tip here is that I can also add annotation elements that go across all three. I'm going to do this first using a lines command to draw a single line that goes all the way across my graphs. When it creates the line command, initially it's drawing it at 0. Let's move this to 50. Now you can see the line at the bottom graph. Let me make this red so you can really see it better. But to draw it across all of my panels here, I'm going to change the extent. This is one of the first options when I open this up, to say all axes. Boom, there it is. Now I have a line going across all three, and it makes it a lot easier to see this lag between these three different events happening at these three different locations. Okay, let's do something here too. And the other command I want to show you that's really handy for this type of graph is the range command. I'll go ahead and add this, and the range command, like many of the commands under this part of the user interface, under the label section, are really interactive and have a lot of dragging ability. So this one, for example, I can drag the end and then the beginning to place this exactly where I want. I'm going to also move this up to the top so it's drawn underneath the line, since everything is drawn here from the beginning to the end of my list of commands. I'm also going to change the color here because I kind of like this blue color in particular for this type of a graphic. In any case, there it is. There is your quick introduction to making stacked graphs with DataGraph.